Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are starting Module 1 Introduction to Tailwind CSS. What is Tailwind CSS? Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework that lets you design directly in your HTML or JSX using predefined classes for layout, spacing, colors, typography, and much more, without writing custom CSS. Key features of Tailwind CSS: utility-first classes. You can use small, single-purpose classes like P4, Text Center, or BGBLUE 500 to style elements quickly. Fast development. You don't need to switch between HTML and CSS files. Just style your elements inline using Tailwind classes. Highly customizable. You can customize colors, fonts, screen sizes, and themes inside the Tailwind config.js file. Responsive by default. Tailwind comes with built-in responsive utilities like SM, MD, LG for different screen sizes. Dark mode and animations. It supports dark mode, transitions, animations, and even custom themes. JIT engine. Tailwind uses a just-in-time engine that generates only the CSS you use, making your final build smaller and faster. Example: button in Tailwind. Instead of writing separate CSS, look how easy it is with Tailwind CSS. That's a fully styled button, without writing a single line of CSS. Why use Tailwind CSS? Say goodbye to writing repetitive custom CSS. Keep your codebase clean, readable, and easy to maintain. Full design control. You're not tied to any predefined component styles. Great for both small and large-scale projects. Installing Tailwind CSS in a project. Prerequisites. Before we start installation, make sure you have VS Code installed. The following extensions installed in VS Code: Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. Prettier, optional. For code formatting, ESLint, optional. For catching errors, React snippets, optional. For writing React faster. is Utility-First CSS? Utility-First CSS is a modern styling approach where you use small, single-purpose classes directly in your HTML or JSX to build your UI. This means you don't need to write custom CSS files for every little thing. Instead, Tailwind gives you ready-to-use utility classes like P4, Text Center, or BG Blue 500. All styling is done inline using utility classes. No extra CSS needed in Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS. Fast plus flexible. You build custom designs quickly using utility classes. Full control, minimal CSS writing. Traditional CSS. Manual but full control. You write all styles from scratch. More time-consuming, but gives you complete freedom. Frameworks, like Bootstrap. Quick start, less custom. You get pre-built components, but it's harder to customize deeply or break out of the default look. The summary is, Tailwind is developer-friendly, fast, and fully customizable. Traditional CSS total control, but more work. Frameworks great for beginners or quick prototypes, but limited flexibility. Thanks for watching today's video. We just covered, what is Utility-First CSS? A simple comparison between traditional CSS and Tailwind, and the key differences between Tailwind CSS, traditional CSS, and other frameworks like Bootstrap. If you learned something new, please give this video a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next part of this Tailwind CSS playlist. Next up, we'll dive into Tailwind CSS Basics, where we'll start applying real styles using utility classes. Drop your questions in